fierce women of today, and I think Ileana
Strong
just
girls.
embodies that completely. I think she is synonymous with today's independent, strong, fierce, yet humble ladies. And I think there couldn't have been a better person to have worn my outfit. I'm so honored.
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. I think it's really lovely that we have foundations, that actually support women empowerment and girls' education. I think it's awesome. It's the 8th season, Ram for Chaps,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
और I think बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. I'm very proud, very honored to be a part of this, definitely.
We're going to go towards Smile Foundation, and that's our contribution.
I think it's so important, I mean, everyone's equal. Difference नहीं होनी चाहिए between men and women, and I think it's really important to educate women. Look at how strong we are mainly, and I think the main thing is women can multitask as well, so our girls can do really well if they educate, and I think it's so important, definitely important. Oh yeah, नहीं, it was just a family occasion though. बहुत सालों के बाद. After very long. My mom is from a Muslim family, so हम लोग कभी-कभी मेहंदी लगाते हैं, which is why I've got मेहंदी. Nothing's finalized right now, so I don't know. मैं बहुत choosy हूँ, so I think it's gonna be a while till I sign something else.
Quality first.
जी sorry. Biopic करना तो it's quite. It's very scary, doing a biopic. I mean, playing somebody else. At least fictional characters में क्या होता है? At least you have that limitation, you can be free about it. I can't think about anybody right now. Mother Teresa लगती हूँ मैं, blue and white में. I think
very new age.
very iconic lady, but I don't know. I'm not sure.
I think she's really good at what she does on her own way for now.
जी. I think it's Independence Day, yeah. It's like you don't really. What can I say about Independence?
Let's celebrate our women. Let's celebrate our women
yes.
and educate them and treat them better. I think that's more important.
I think
Most important.
work towards making India a better place, and I think this starts with our girls right here.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll click one on it. Click one on it. Yeah.
I'm wearing Farah Sanjana, and the earrings were also given to me by her. So yeah, she styled the whole event. And I have all these cuties with me. They're looking really pretty. I think they're the stars of the show today. Yeah. I love kids. I don't know if I'm ready to have my own yet, but I definitely love playing with my friends' kids. And I think the best part is that you can actually, when you're done with playing with your nieces and nephews, you can hand them back to their parents. So I'm still in that phase. But of course, to be able to do something like this where we get to really change another kid's life and give a child that doesn't have opportunities a chance to do something great in their life and follow their dreams, I think that's a great thing to be a part of, and I'm really thankful to Smile Foundation for giving me the opportunity. Yeah, I think it's a lot of fun. We've already started having fun. There's a lot of friends here from TV and from fashion, and it's great to be together for a cause. So I think we're having a really good time, and to be able to do your everyday job for a greater purpose is really great. So I'm really having a good time too. I think education is key. I think if it wasn't for education, none of us women would have been able to chart the dreams that we have. Even being in the entertainment field, I have a degree myself, and it's not just about having the certification, but it's about learning about yourself. It's about being able to go out there and build a life for yourself. So I think it's the most important thing, and like I said, I'm really grateful to Smile Foundation for giving me a chance to be a part of such a great initiative. Thank you.
हाँ हाँ ले लेते प्लेट खत्म कर लेते कम 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 कम
Can you see?
हाँ
Can you see? इधर आ जाओ.
इधर मारा जाए क्या देखिए बच्चों का है और इस फाउंडेशन को हम ये तो अभी आप शो देख रहे हैं हमने हमेशा बूगी वूगी हमारा शो था जिसमें स्माइल फाउंडेशन के बच्चे हमेशा आए हैं और इन्जॉय किया हमारे साथ में और जब तक है करते रहेंगे क्योंकि बच्चे जो हैं भोले हैं और इनको सपोर्ट करना हमारा फ़र्ज है इस सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं पूरी दुनिया में गर्ल चाइल्ड को एजुकेट करना चाहिए क्योंकि जो एजुकेशन है वो हर बच्चे का एक बर्थ राइट है उसको बच्ची पढ़ेगी तो पूरी फैमिली को पढ़ाएगी और आगे की जनरेशन पढ़ेगी तो मेरी बीवी भी अभी अमेरिकन है अमेरिका से हैं अभी मेरी 3 साल पहले शादी हुई है तो इनका भी यही कॉज है बच्चों को ये भी करती रहती हैं जहाँ जहाँ मौका मिलता है पर्सनल लेवल में हमेशा करता हूँ और कैसे करता हूँ ये नहीं बताऊँगा पर करते हैं थैंक यू
Thank you.